This is a review of Boolean variables. In this initial example, we have a program in which if mouse x is greater than 250, so if the x coordinate of the mouse is greater than 250, then a red circle will be drawn. There we go. Let's see. Red circle. And when I go back, so when this statement isn't true, when mouse x gets to be less than 250, the red circle goes away because these functions will be skipped right over if the conditional isn't true. If I wanted to adjust this program, so once I cross the line, the red circle appears and stays there even if I go back over, I need a Boolean variable. So Boolean variables have only two possible values, true and false. To declare and initialize a Boolean variable, I'm going to say Boolean, and I'll call it over that line of 250, and I'm going to set it equal to false initially. The default initial value of a Boolean is false if you don't initialize it, but it's always good practice to do so. Then I'm going to change this conditional. So instead of saying that when the circle is drawn, when mouse x has a value greater than 250, I'm going to use this conditional to make the Boolean variable over equal to true. I've closed this conditional, and in a new conditional after this closed curly bracket, I'm going to check to see if that Boolean variable over has become true. So I'm going to say if over, two equal signs to check for equality. So if it becomes true, then I'm going to draw the red circle, close that conditional. So if I were to annotate this, I would say if over becomes true. So if I play it now, if I go over 250, the circle appears, but when I go back, it remains on screen. Because there's no other place in this program to set over back to false. It's set false right at the beginning of the program, but after this becomes true, there's no way to make it false again.